Rotary, we have come together to unite for good. Ladies and gentlemen, fellow Rotarians, welcome to the 55th induction and oath-taking ceremony of the Rotary Club of Iloilo South.
To active membership of Rotary Club of Iloilo South, do hereby solemnly swear that I will faithfully discharge the duties of my membership according to the Constitution and bylaws of the Rotary Club of Iloilo South.
The Rotary induction ceremony for the year 2025-2026 to order.
It is a profound honor to be here tonight among such inspiring leaders and dedicated members of the Rotary Club of Iloilo South. First and foremost, I would like to extend my heartfelt congratulations to all of you on this special occasion, the induction of new members and the celebration of your continued commitment to service and community development.